Most people are using too many products, too few, or just the wrong products entirely. So today I'm breaking down the core essentials that every hair type needs, no matter the style or texture. All right, so the first essential that you're gonna need is a shampoo and conditioner duo for your specific hair type. Now, obviously, I recommend a professional shampoo and conditioner, and it doesn't have to be super fancy or super expensive. There are so many on the market that are an affordable price. Your everyday shampoo and conditioner should match your texture's needs. For fine hair, go for lightweight or volumizing. For thick or coarse hair, look for bottles that say smoothing or moisturizing. If your hair feels flat or greasy too soon, that means it's too heavy. If your hair feels rough, dry, or tangly, that means it's too harsh. Here's a little pro tip for your shampoo. Leave the shampoo in for at least 1 to 2 minutes. This allows the bubbles to do their job and ensures that your hair and scalp get thoroughly cleansed. And for your conditioner, make sure that you're rinsing it thoroughly so you don't get that buildup that causes your hair to look lifeless and limp. The next essential that you're gonna need is a good professional clarifying shampoo. If you use dry shampoo, styling products, or have hard water, then you absolutely need a clarifying shampoo in your lineup. Use it a few times a month to remove the buildup, and this will allow your other products to work properly. Also, make sure that you are using a gentle one, preferably a professional one, so that you do not strip your hair. The next essential that you're gonna need is non-negotiable. It is either a leave-in or a heat protectant. Even if you don't heat style your hair, a leave-in protects your hair with UV protection, friction, and frizz control. Think of it like your skincare or your sunscreen. The leave-in is like the daily moisturizer for your hair, and the heat protectant is like your sunscreen. Everyone can use a little protein or damage repair, especially if you color your hair, use heat, or even just live in the humidity. For damage repair, use something like the K18 or some sort of bond building at least once a week. The reason why I love the K18 so much is it repairs your hair, keeps your hair healthy and strong, and it is so easy to use and really does work miracles. Keep in mind, damage doesn't always come from color and heat and even the humidity. It also comes from brushing your hair and using too tight of elastic hair ties and things like that. So what I would recommend is still using a strengthening mask once a week. This will help prevent breakage from even happening. The final essential product that you're gonna need is a finishing product for polish or texture. This is what makes your style look professional and put together. Fine hair does better with texture sprays or very lightweight shine products, while thicker hair loves a smoothing serum or even a heavier type of oil. Now, one product that I can recommend for any hair type is the Virtual Healing Oil. The reason why I love this so much, it is super lightweight, it smells amazing. It has keratin in it it's human keratin from upcycled hair. I don't know how they do it, but it is unlike any other product that I've ever used. And we can't keep it on the shelves in the salon, and everybody loves it. So this is something that if you want to add shine, heal your hair, and prevent breakage, this product is for you. Now, if I just had to choose one product for texture and finish that would work for all hair types, it would be the R+Co Balloon Dry Volume Spray. It's a very lightweight texture that's brushable and lightweight, and like I said, it just works amazing for any hair type. This is also a product that our stylists and our clients reach for time and time again. These 5 essentials are all you really need for healthy, beautiful hair, because your hair is your best accessory. Start here and build from there. If you learned anything from this video or found it helpful, definitely give it a thumbs up. It lets me know that you enjoyed the video, and consider subscribing so you don't miss out on any more of my future videos. And I can't wait to see you in the next one.